In order to move contacts from SIM to the phone storage or Google account on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first we need to go to Contacts app, which we can find, for example, in the app drawer. Then go to Organize in the bottom right corner, and then you should be able to scroll down a little bit until you find Manage SIM option. So choose it. In my case, I can also choose my SIM. We want to choose the SIM with contacts that we want to move. So in my case, I am going to select this one, and I'm going to press OK. And then first we can choose where we want to save our SIM contacts. So we can choose to save to our Google account, our Xiaomi account, or our device or phone storage. So let's say I'm gonna choose my Google account. Over here on the right side we can select contacts that we want to transfer to our designated account, and we can press import in the top right corner, and then we are asked whether we want to remove copies from the SIM card, which of course we can agree by pressing delete, or we can keep contacts on SIM card. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!